Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words destruct and distract. Let's look at each one individually. Destruct, verb. To destroy or cause to be destroyed, often used in the phrase self-destruct. For example, the spy's phone will self-destruct in 10 seconds. The old building was scheduled to destruct to make way for a new development. His career seemed to self-destruct after the scandal. Distract, verb. To draw someone's attention away from something, to divert attention or prevent concentration. For example, the loud noise outside distracted me from my work. She tried not to let her personal problems distract her during the meeting. The magician used clever tricks to distract the audience. To summarize, destruct means to destroy or cause destruction, often used in the context of self-destruct. Distract means to draw attention away from something or prevent concentration. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.